Welcome to today's daily recap, October 9th, 2020. Just going over GJ and what GJ did. We know GJ has been trending up for since end of September, like 21st of September, right? A couple weeks. And so we had our levels out here, this level 136.8, 136. So these are the key levels that we are paying attention to. And then eventually 137.8 to 138.0. Right? So when we're looking at it, this was essentially, this was a higher low, right? We created an intraday high, couldn't break the high here. So essentially once we broke this high, we knew we were gonna go up, and 136.8 was our other intraday level that we had to keep an eye out on, right? So what happened yesterday was price is just consolidating here, right? Throughout the day, it's consolidating all throughout Asia until pre-London. Price went down to this structure right here, which was right above 137, grabbed liquidity at 2 a.m., 1 hour before London open, and price moved up to the previous level at 137.4, right? So we moved up, and that was around 40 pips. So 40 pips, I've seen London do this a lot of times. London pushes up, and then we push down to grab more liquidity for New York, and then push up. So price came up here, right? This was, you see all these wick rejections here. So this was a good entries for buys. Wasn't the best, but it was still, nevertheless, it was 40 pips. Price went up, rejected, right? And then we pushed straight back down to our next key level by 7 a.m., which is an hour before New York open. And that was this price behavior as well. So 136.8, and you see how it rejected it instantly. Rejected it, created a higher low, right? More higher lows, and then higher high, higher low. And then we finally broke above by 11:30 a.m. Eastern. We're retested and continued up. So our target for the week was 137.8. We reached 137.774, 3 pips away. But yeah, you see how there wasn't enough order flow when price reached up here. So there wasn't enough buy orders in the market. So price went down for liquidity. Grab liquidity at this level, right? Exactly 136.8, which is our market structure, right? It's market structure. If you look on 4 hour, like these candles closing right there, here as well, right there, got a retest, and then we finally got a retest. This was a higher low. So see, this is what I mean. This here was just price compressing, right? You see all these 4 hour candles compressing. And if you go in the lower time frame, it is compression, it is consolidation for a push to happen up. And we knew we were going to push up as soon as this intraday 137.4 resistance broke, because it is not a major level, right? It was just an intraday resistance to push up to 137.8 or 138.0, right? So it was quite clean, and you can see this was their higher low, and then this was the next higher low, and now we made a higher high, taking out the previous high. So GJ, see how it shifted up? This was accumulation, then push up, more accumulation, and now we got to push up to here, right? So super clean. GBP CAD was a bit, there wasn't many clean moves in here, but throughout the time, but you see like there's several clean, like from here to up here, right? Even this move, right? And then and then today this would be another clean move, but the rest of it was mainly just like periods of consolidation and buy order accumulation. But yeah, see, this is a change in market cycle. We are going down, and then market cycle change, and now we're going up, right? So you got to understand market cycles to know where we're going. You got to understand key levels and how, and the timings. Like price pushed up after London open, couldn't break it, so we went down. Pre-New Year, grabbed liquidity, enough buy orders, then we broke it and continued up. So essentially, this has happened a lot of times where there's still at pre-London, there's a range to fill. We filled the buy range, wasn't able to break it, right? Consolidated, rejected, and came down. If you look on 1 minute, in 1 minute, see, this price action tells you we're not breaking it. Got a lower high, continued down, and where did we go? We went straight down to the next key level at 136.8, which was 60 pips. Tapped it exactly on down to the 1 minute. We went exactly at 0.8, and then since then, market structure shifted, and then back to creating higher lows and higher highs, and then we went up, and that was that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. appreciate all the views. Even though it's not a lot, I really do enjoy making these videos. Take it easy. It is Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Reflect, document, revise, and we're back at it on Sunday.